C-TRAC Euro6, DPF, EGR, NOx, delete. Vehicle information. Brand, C-TRAC Euro6. ECU, Bosch MD-1CD-100. Service, DPF plus EGR and NOx delete. Problem, check engine light on, the truck in derate mode. Solution, DPF plus EGR and NOx were disabled by modifying the ECU file. After that, the modified file was written